Is your kitchen counter always a cluttered mess? Tired of digging through chaotic drawers just to find one spatula? I've rounded up the smartest kitchen organization products on Amazon that actually save space and look amazing. From cabinet organizers to magnetic spice racks, these finds will transform your kitchen in minutes. Every item is linked in the description below, so go check them out and grab your favorites before they sell out. Product 5, Kitchen Sink Sponge Holder Organizer. Morning light hits a cluttered sink, and the mess feels endless. Sponges, brushes, and soap crowd every inch of the counter. Cleaning starts, but the wet countertop keeps stealing time. Then the Sicily Sink Caddy appears beside the faucet. Its compact body fits perfectly into the narrow space. 3 storage zones separate soap, sponges, and sink stoppers neatly. The upgraded brush holder keeps up to 4 brushes ready. Each tool stands organized, visible, dry, and easy to grab. A simple twist sends water straight into the sink. No puddles remain, no tray removal, no extra scrubbing. Rust-proof 304 stainless steel stays sturdy through daily use. A quick rinse keeps it spotless and looking new. Now the whole sink area feels open, calm, and efficient. Small space, big order, and every task flows smoothly. Click the product link in the description to discover all the details. Product 4, FSVCD MyFan Kitchen Sink Caddy. Every morning my sink looked chaotic and constantly wet. Sponges, brushes, and soap bottles kept sliding everywhere. I hated wiping the counter again and again. Then I was scrolling, and this sink caddy caught me. Its compact design instantly looked perfect for my tiny kitchen. What grabbed me most? The self-draining tray. That sloped design promised fast drainage, no messy buildup. I ordered it immediately, hoping for real countertop relief. The moment I placed it beside the sink, wow. My sponge, brush, and soap finally had a home. Water drains away fast, so the counter stays dry. The anti-slip base keeps everything steady and secure. Rust-proof stainless steel means it still looks brand new. Small space, big upgrade, and zero installation stress. So why keep living with sink clutter and puddles? Tap the product link in the description for full information. Product 3, Kitchen Details 3-Tier Can Organizer. Still digging through crowded pantry shelves for one can? Mine always toppled over, hid behind boxes, and wasted space. Then I found Kitchen Details 3-Tier Can Organizer. It holds up to 36 cans in one neat rack. The open front design makes every can easy to spot. No more stacking, no more digging, no more cabinet chaos. Just snap the pieces together. Setup is seriously quick. The chrome steel frame feels sturdy and looks sleek. It handles heavy canned goods without bending or wobbling. I placed mine in the pantry, and it fit perfectly. Its compact size saves space on shelves or countertops. Now my cans stay organized, visible, and easy to grab. It even keeps my kitchen looking cleaner and calmer. If you want smarter storage, this organizer really delivers. Find out everything about this product by visiting the link in the description. Product 2, 3-pack, 2-tier, undersink organizers with sliding drawers. I opened the cabinet and chaos nearly attacked me. Bottles toppled, lids vanished, my patience disappeared with them. I blamed the sink, the house, even my storage skills. Then I spotted a strange black 2-tier organizer. At first I thought it was just another shelf, but the bottom drawer slid out like magic. No digging, no crawling, no cabinet disaster ever again. The hooks and cup added even more hidden storage. Suddenly, every cleaner, brush, and bottle had a place. In minutes, the whole setup went together effortlessly. No tools, no stress, just quick, satisfying assembly. And those metal support rods? Seriously built to last. It held heavy supplies with rock-solid, unstoppable confidence. Kitchen, bathroom, laundry room. This organizer conquered every messy corner. 7Blue turned my cluttered cabinet into pure order. Check the product link in the description to learn more and see the latest details. Product 1, LifeWit Kitchen Cabinet Organizer for Food Container Lids. Ever open a cabinet and feel quietly overwhelmed? Lids, bowls, and plates tumble together in one crowded mess. Every search steals time from the meal you wanted to enjoy. Then one organizer brings calm back to your kitchen. LifeWit holds small, medium, large, round, and rectangular lids. It also welcomes bowls, plates, and spices with ease. One place for many essentials, saving precious cabinet space. Its 10 by 13 inch size fits drawers and shelves. 6 adjustable dividers create up to 7 neat sections. 2 dividers can stand taller as helpful raised fences. Everything stays sorted, visible, and easy to reach quickly. Setup is simple, and cleaning takes only a gentle wipe. Made from BPA-free, food-grade plastic for lasting everyday use. A healthier, durable choice for a more peaceful home. Bring warmth and order to your kitchen with LifeWit. If you found this helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more amazing product recommendations. Click the product link in the description and explore all the features today.